Now I'm going to show some of the functions of our hypochlorous acid generator with the humidifier. First, if you turn the power on. Now when you turn it into the on position, if you just leave it like this, the hypochlorous generator will go on for a half hour, and then automatically afterwards the humidifier will turn on. Now we've done this according to the instructions, and we added the 20 milligrams per 2 liters. Then you'll see that the when we tested it, the chlorine was in between 50 to 100 parts per million. Now, if you wanted stronger, you could turn it off, then turn it back on again, and run the hypochlorous acid generator for another half hour. Or you'll see later on that there is another setting that you could do to run it for longer initially. Now, if you look inside, you'll see that the hypochlorous acid generator has started working. Now, if you press the on button again, now it's going into the humidifier position. Now, the default, there's 3 levels for the humidifier. The default is the 3rd level, which is the highest level. Or you could change it. You press this button that says Fog Master, will go down to 0, which will shut it off, or it'll be at 1. That's the lowest level. 2, it's the next level. 3 is going to be the highest level. Now, it takes a little while, I'll show you in a minute, to build up, but it's starting. That's the same with any ultrasonic humidifier, nothing different over here. Now, if you press the on button again, now it's going to show electrolyzed timer. Now you can press the timer button. It goes from 1, 2 to 4. Now, if you see when you do this, the hypochlorous acid generator is off, but the hypochlorous acid, sorry about that, the hypochlorous acid generator is on, and the humidifier is off. And what this does is it will time how long the hypochlorous acid generator runs for. So if you want to make a stronger solution and you want it to run longer, you have the option of running it. If you look over there, sorry, let's get that back again. You can run it for 1 hour, you can run it for 2 hours, or you can run it for 4 hours. And that's just going to be the hypochlorous acid generator. Now, press it a 4th time, it goes off. Now, the 2nd time, this is back in the humidifier position. And like we said, if you press the button that says Fog Master, that'll change the level. Or you can set it a timer, and that'll time the humidifier the same way that we did with the hypochlorous acid generator. The other option is relative humidity. That's the RH button, and you could set it at the humidity. Now, when you hit the RH button and you hit it again, it goes up in 5% increments. So you could have it setting when it's on the humidifier mode. You could have it set at the relative humidity. So once it hits that humidity, it'll shut off. Now you can see it's starting to make a pretty good, steady, heavy fog that's coming out of the humidifier. Unfortunately, the lighting in my warehouse is not great, so it looks a lot heavier in person, but it's rated at 350 milliliters at the high setting per hour. Manufacturer's instructions are up to 400 square feet, but I would say you'd probably safer at about 250 square foot room. And this is our newest product, the hypochlorous acid generating humidifier. Thank you.